Alright, so the weekend is finally here where I'm bringing this car to go get caged. Little bit of a challenge because there's no seat. So, I don't know, I'll probably find a wheel or something and see if that fits. Load it onto the trailer. All this is gonna get taken out. This is a night vision from a Cadillac of some sort. But this used to be hooked up to the DIN unit inside. Car's going to Hi-Speed tomorrow. Getting up at 4 a.m. to go drive. Car's all dropped off at Hi-Speed. It's gonna live here for a little bit while it gets some stuff. Super excited for all of this to get put together and go check out some of the other cars that are here. Got Griff's E46 here. I think that thing just got rod bearings done. There's Cecil's matching car. He's also got an SMG GTS donor here. A vet, another silver E46. Ooh, a fancy E92. Look at this. I think this is Leo's car. Got a drift car back there. Kind of gonna miss this car. It's gonna be a very different car when it comes back. It's so cold here. My nose is turning all red. Alright, so we're headed home now. Went to dinner last night. It took us 2.5 hours to get there because we had to drive through a blizzard. We have a 2-wheel drive truck and we were towing a trailer, so it was kind of fun, kind of terrifying. We got stuck on an off-ramp and some guy with a snowplow yelled at us for buying a 2-wheel drive truck. The dinner was fun, so it was really good to see everybody. Got to hand out TT trophies for everybody. I got second place in the GTS2 championship. It's pretty cool. And then 7th place overall for the drivers championship. It's pretty cool. It's got my name on it and everything. Alright, long drive home, so see you guys.